Hey guys, and welcome to another giveaway. Right here we have one of the winners, so let's just click on him. So you guys can see he doesn't have the battle pass, and that's exactly what he wants. So he could have chosen anything from the item shop, however he chose the battle pass. So we're gonna go right into the battle pass, which is our second option, and we're just gonna go into there, press X, and we're gonna see our second option where it says gift battle pass. So we're gonna press that right there. Then we just have to scroll down all the way down to his name. And remember, you cannot gift using V-Bucks. You can only gift using money for the battle pass, that is. For skins and everything, you can use your V-Bucks. So right now we're gonna choose him right here. We're gonna press square and we're gonna continue on with the gifting. Again, you cannot use V-Bucks, you can only use money. So although you may have a bunch of V-Bucks like me, you cannot use them, which is not good. But anyways, right now I can see the total. So I don't have to add funds, I can actually just confirm the purchase. If this is your first time doing it, most likely you will have to add funds just so everything links up properly. However, right now, all I have to do is confirm purchase because I've already done this from before. And again, you do not need funds in your wallet in order to gift out. So right now you can tell me, yeah, one item, total price, thank you for purchase, when you complete it, I can return to application. So I'm gonna return. And there we go, there's my new gifting box acquired. Okay, I haven't seen this before. I'm gonna press X on it. Not all of you might see this, that's okay. I'm gonna use that gifting box, why not? It's a brand new one. And sending out gift. This should be immediate. So I can see all gifts were delivered successfully. And there we go, he got it. No problem. Now, if you got any skins already or anything, you should put them on, but I'm gonna click on your name just to verify. So it says Battle Pass level 29, there's your skin, nice. Now that's a great choice choosing the Battle Pass over any skins right now because you can always win again if you're lucky. Congratulations again. No problem. Now, if you guys would like to participate and for a chance to win Battle Pass or any skins in the item shop or emotes, just follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. If you guys want the battle pass, if you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.